5 myths about pollinator plants that could quietly starve your bees and butterflies and wreck your garden. Welcome to rudeinsect.com.
If your goal is a buzzing, blooming habitat, a little myth-busting goes a long way. Let's keep your garden helpful, not harmful.
Myth 1. Any pretty flower will feed pollinators.
Not quite. Many showy ornamentals, especially double bloom varieties, are low in nectar or even sterile. They look good to us, but they're a dead end for insects.
The fix. Lean on locally native, nectar, and pollen-rich plants. They co-evolved with local pollinators, so the fit is better.
Think bee balm, coneflower, black-eyed Susan, milkweed, asters, goldenrod, and native sunflowers. Save the doubles for the vase, not the pollinator patch.
Myth 2. A couple of plants is enough.
Pollinators need a buffet, not a snack. Diversity brings different tongues, beaks, and behaviors to the table.
Aim for a mix of flower shapes and heights. Flat-topped landing pads for butterflies, tubular blooms for hummingbirds, and open daisies for bees.
And cluster each plant in groups. Drifts make it easier for pollinators to find and move efficiently rather than hopscotching across the yard.
Myth 3. As long as something blooms in summer, you're covered.
Pollinators eat from early spring to late fall. A summer-only garden creates hunger gaps.
Build a bloom calendar. Early, crocus and willow catkins. Mid, bee balm, lavender, purple coneflower. Late, goldenrod and asters.
If you grow for monarchs, milkweed is crucial, but don't stop there. They also need late-season nectar for migration.
Myth 4. Pesticides are fine if you're careful.
Even safe sprays can harm or disorient pollinators, especially systemic products that move into nectar and pollen.
Try cultural and biological controls first. Healthy soil, right plant, right place, hand-pick pests, encourage ladybugs and lacewings, and use row covers.
If you must intervene, spot treat, avoid blooming plants, and time for cool, non-windy periods. Then reassess your plant choices and spacing to prevent repeat outbreaks.
Myth 5. Pollinator gardens must be tidy, mulched, and manicured.
A little wild is wonderful. Many bees nest in bare or lightly mulched soil. Butterflies pupate on stems. Spent stalks shelter life over winter.
Leave some leaf litter, keep a few hollow stems at 12-18 inches, and skip the yard vacuuming.
Add a shallow water dish with stones for perches or a small bird bath. Hydration matters. Bees and butterflies drink too.
Bonus misconception, pollinator gardens only work in the countryside.
City balconies, rooftops, and curb strips can be powerful nectar stops. Urban green spaces boost pollinator numbers and connect fragmented habitats.
Sun exposure and wind protection still count. Most pollinator plants prefer at least 6 hours of sun and a bit of shelter from strong gusts.
And in drought-prone areas, choose tough natives and deepen your mulch. Once established, many pollinator plants are surprisingly water-wise.
Quick recap. Choose native nectar-rich plants. Plant in diverse repeated clusters. Stagger blooms spring to fall. Avoid pesticides. Leave some mess and add water.
Do that and you'll turn your space, big or small, into a reliable pantry and nursery for pollinators and a healthier, more productive garden for you.
Bust the myths, grow the buzz, and your garden will thank you.
That is all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to rudeinsect.com, Conversations with Grant and Fiona.